Hey! Today we're going to do a Shop My Stash video, except everything is on my face already because I'm using the same face products as I've been using in my past videos because I'm still enjoying penning those. What we're going to do is use my Decision Roulette to choose an eyeshadow palette for the next couple of makeups that I do. So let's do that right now, shall we? So let me get my app going. This is it. All this reflection. So we're just going to spin it. And we got She's in Parties by Melt. Great! I'm really happy with this one. So let's get our palette and get on with it. Let me explain a little something. The palettes that I configured on that Decision Roulette are the palettes that I already owned, of course, but I haven't had the chance of using them yet, any of them. So this is one of them, She's in Parties by Melt. Here she is. Let me, the mirror is always, she is. All these purples and pinks. Beautiful shades. Let's get my cat ears with Christmas decorations on, my brushes, and let's do this. First of all, primer. Primer is the same, Urban Decay Primer Potion Original. This shade, which is Last Caress, right here. They appear to be a lot lighter somehow on camera. The light I'm using is again from my window. It's daylight, natural, and it's a very sunny afternoon. These shades deserve all the hype they have been getting. Really great. Now let's get a bit of this other lighter shade, Total Immortal over here. Cool tone mauvey pink. They are pigmented. All right, let's blend it out. We're going to go back with Last Caress because it's washing off a bit after this lighter shade we're using to blend out. Gorgeous. Let's see if I don't stab my shades with my brush handle, because I'd be devastated if I did. Let me drag this down here a bit. This one is Mean Streak over here. This sort of eggplant color. Beautiful. Blend this out a bit. Oh, yes. There you go. Go back with Last Caress to get this perfection here. It was uneven. I have to blend it out again with Total Immortal. There. And now, so far, I want to choose shimmer shade. I think I'm gonna go with this Strange Love one, and maybe Lost Control. Let's do Lost Control over here. I'm going to use my fingers. Start on the outer corner. I never set my primer, so this part of the lid we're still primer. That's why I didn't do anything else to it. Yes. Yeah. Eee, dirty finger! And now let's do Strange Love. Another finger. Blend it into the darker shade I just put, which is Lost Control. Ooh, love this. I'm going to use a matte for inner corner highlight. This palette is all it's been hyped about. And I think I just dipped my boobs into my shades, did I? I hope not. Well, the shirt doesn't seem to be dirty, so. Okay, let's try and do some inner corner highlight. This matte shade, I'm using this again, Total Immortal. Put it in my inner corner. I like this look. Now for lower lash, what am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna mix both Last Caress and Immortal over here, and then this one to smoke out the outer corner. Right, a little lighter over here. All right, loving it so far. And now let me grab this sort of pencil brush from Argent Makeup. Sort of a pencil brush, it's a little crooked already. So let's do Mean Streak again, that darker eggplant shade. On the other corner over here. Well guys, so far first impressions. I really enjoy this palette. I like Melt Cosmetics formula. I don't have all the palettes, far from that. I do have Vida and Muerte, and this one. Perhaps, apparently from what I've been hearing from other YouTubers, I got the good ones. So I'm happy. So we've used Strange Love, Total Immortal, Last Caress, that's what it's called, and also Mean Streak over here, and Lost Control. Now move on to liner and lashes. I may be doing this off camera. Do you believe if I told you I still have glitter all over my vanity? From that last video with all the glitter. I feel a little extra today. We're sticking with the Glamnetic theme here. No, not sponsored. But I did get a couple of styles, a few, and I haven't tried them all on yet, so we're going to do a new style today, and that's vacay. These need a trim, like the other ones did. Trim, that came out weird. Trim. If you want to see how I trim my lashes, you can see the link up here. These look like spiders. Let's see if I like the style. Okay, let's do the liner. You know the drill. I've had this liner since August 2020. It's been a good liner. It's still being a good liner. This look today matches my hair, which is not really surprising for someone who really loves purples like me. Oh man, I really like this look. Let's apply these. Wow. These are crazy lashes. Crazy huge. Easy to apply like all their other sisters. And they are long as fuck. They look like dusters. Oh wow, these are first impressions, okay? I've never used this style before. Okay, as usually, lashes pull everything together. Not that this look needed more pulling together, because I think it came out really well. because you know the quality of the shades. When the quality is good, you can get away with almost anything. All right, let me check for fallout. I don't think there's any. Nope, I don't see anything. So this is it. Wait, let me get my my cat ears with Christmas decorations off. Fluff my hair. Yeah. And here's the final look. You see the shadow. There you go. Maybe a purple lipstick or black and purple ombre would look better or different for sure. But yeah, this is not bad. So this is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a boop. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.